every business owner wants to make sales. Generating sales and incurring revenue so that you have the funds that you need to pay for your expenses and have enough net income so that you can enjoy the fruits of your labor is the dream of most business owners. But when you lose your focus on sales, or you're unsure how you should be getting additional sales, your bottom line will definitely be impacted. In the second episode of this week's 5-episode podcast series about common mistakes business owners make, you'll learn about the most common sales mistakes and how you can prevent them in your business. Understanding your client and pricing your product or services correctly will help you gain the sales that you're looking for in your business, whether you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, small business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant. We'll talk about simplicity and how this alone could help you boost your sales. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Hey there! If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, you're building your business and you're serious about growing your business to your first 6 figures, trending towards multiple 6 figures, or even 7 figures, I want to invite you to join me in a free consultation call. I've created a business strategy and growth program that is the program that you need that helps you take your business to the next level. It sets the foundation for you to build, grow, and scale your dream business for the long term. It's for you if you are a business owner who desires to build a successful business and you want to do it in the most accelerated, streamlined, and sustainable way, and in a way that aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. I'm really proud of the work that my clients and I do in this program and the transformation that happens for my clients through this one-on-one consulting process so that they can fully reach their dreams, set the foundation for their business, and create belief and actions to achieve what is possible by taking control and understanding their business, which leads to a balanced and more fulfilled life. There are limited spots available because of the very high level of support included in this program, and because I'm also very serious about helping my clients get results. I'm helping clients get their businesses started, be more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal life. Your business finances are impacted by much more than just your bookkeeping and financial knowledge. You need a solid business foundation. During your consultation session, we'll work together to go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. If this sounds like you, I want you to sign up for one of my free consultation sessions. And if you're at a place where you know that you're ready for this level of business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support with high-level business discussions that will give you the exact next steps and the ability to reach your goals and achievements, Let's get on a call so that we can talk about and see what's possible for you and your business this year. You can go to financialadventure.com/contact-us to schedule your call today. I'll post the link in the show notes for you as well. Welcome back, and welcome to the second of the 5 series podcast I have for you this week, where I'm talking about some of the most common mistakes business owners have been known to make in their business. I want you to be aware of these mistakes and take action to make sure that you don't make the same mistakes in your business. Today, we're going to focus on sales mistakes. You might be thinking, how can you make a mistake on sales? When you have a client who purchases your product or your service, how can this be a mistake? Well, I'm going to talk about the sales you may be missing. I want you to take a look at the product or services that you sell. First, I want you to make sure that you know exactly who your ideal client is. Just knowing the information about your ideal client will help you target your marketing directly to them so that you're able to generate sales for your business. You don't want to waste any time or money marketing to the wrong audience. Next, are your products or services easy for your customers to understand? Your products or services should be simple. As a business owner, you certainly understand what you have to offer, but it may be confusing through the eye of your customers. Make sure that you're practicing simplicity. What is your minimum viable product? How can you take the product or services that you have to offer to your customers and simplify them? Don't complicate your product or services. Remember that if you confuse, you lose, and you want to ensure that you get every single sale that you can. Once you know what your product and services are, I want you to think about your pricing. Many business owners struggle with setting pricing due to the lack of confidence that they have in themselves or even the fear of failure. You want to make sure that you're pricing your products and your services so that you're able to generate a profit. There may be a fine line between overpricing and underpricing your product or service. So really take some time here so that you know you have a price that works with your overall business finances. I know many of you who are already on the wait list, patiently waiting for registration to open for my Strategic Bookkeeping Academy, are going to be excited because I'm happy to announce that I'm ready to open registration. So take a second and make a note that the Strategic Bookkeeping Academy is launching on June 15th, 2022. Also note that from June 15th through June 17th, 2022, there will be a promotion for founding members. This means that I created this new program and I can't wait for you to join and start taking control of your business, gain a deeper understanding, and master your small business finances. This program will help you understand exactly what you need to do when you're doing your own bookkeeping for your business. It's also helpful for bookkeepers who are still working on their processes to deliver the best bookkeeping service to their clients. Having over 25 years of experience working with business owners, I understand where they struggle, and this program is designed to help service-based business owners do their own bookkeeping confidently and with ease. Since this program is new, I also created a special bonus for you when you sign up in the first couple of days the program is open. So, if you want more information, if you can't wait to join, or you're curious to learn more about the Strategic Bookkeeping Academy for service-based business owners, come and join the waitlist. It's very important for you to join the waitlist if you want to grab the special founding member opportunities during the promotional period. If you miss this promotional period, you can still purchase the program, but not for the promotional price. You can get on the wait list by going to financialadventure.com/SBA and click on the waitlist button. Enter your email address and I'll send you information to register during the promotional period. I can't wait to see you in the program. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and bookkeepers where you're listening to this podcast and in the show notes. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, Join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.